Thi-ini wa ndumiriri yake kuri bururi iria erekereirio ni mwaria wa thingira wa iregi Manoah Esipisu, Mutongoria wa bururi oigite kihitahitano gia githurano riu ni githiru na uguo akenya macoke haria marutagira mawira mao niguo makurie utonga wa bururi.
This has been a long campaign. Day after day, we have argued about the state of the nation and debated different visions of Kenya's future. Now the campaign is over. The arguments have been hard. Kenyans have made their choice. They have chosen President Kenyatta's vision of progress and prosperity and transforming Kenya. It remains for us to reflect on the results and to unite in building the country. It's now time for us all to get back to work and move our nation forward.
Esipisu oigite Mutongoria Uhuru Kenyatta ekurutithania wira na andu othe hatari na muthutukanio. Oho ni oritie mbeu njithi itheme na ateti aria mangienda kumahuthira kurehe ngui.
As the president often said on the campaign trail, those who incite violence and division will leave you to suffer the consequences. Don't let yourselves be a pawn in someone else's game. Let the Constitution decide any disputes that remain.
Uhoro-ini wegie kuiga thayo na urumwe bururi-ini, Esipisu ni oigite maabitha a borithi ni mekuhuthira hinya uria mahetwo ni watho gutigirira a Kenya ni maikarana thayo na urumwe.
Peaceful protests are lawful exercises of a constitutional right and will be respected and offered protection by police. But sadly, we have seen violent protests in which property has been damaged and lives have been endangered. The violent protests are unlawful, so let me be perfectly clear. The police will not tolerate breaches of peace, and instead they will protect the lives and property of Kenyans, and they will restore law and order.
Esipisu ni ateterithitie thirikari ya Uhuru Kenyatta ni ihaririirie gukinyaniria ciiraniro ciayo thutha wa akenya kumihe itina ria keri. Handu-ini ha Kimemia TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.